Okay, guys, we're live again with an emergency alert. Law enforcement is looking for Tiffany Brick, age 28, Scott Hogel, age 51. Scott is Tiffany's boyfriend. Everyone get a look at this vehicle. I believe that this is Wisconsin. License plate JZ1918. Black GMC Sierra K 1500. And the reason why they do have anyone has any information on the girl's whereabouts to call 262-279-6252. But this is actually the alert. Two missing sisters, Katie Brick, age 8, Jenna Brick, age 6. Can everyone see this? She is believed to be in violation with DIFUS, I guess a scheduled visit that she took off with the girls. This is her boyfriend, Scott Hogel, age 51. Tiffany Brick, the biological mother, age 28. They are believed to be driving in a light black truck. Looks black to me. With Wisconsin plates. GMC Sierra K 1500. Hi, Debbie. We have an emergency alert going out in the Wisconsin area. They are known to frequent the Illinois area. There's only one reason older men date younger girls. We have two missing sisters, Katie Brick, age 8, Jenna Brick, age 6. I don't even know, I'm going based off of what I'm having here with the alert, and this is very disturbing to me. It's the Wisconsin Department of Justice issued an alert for the mother who left home with her 2 children in violation of an agreement with the Department of Children and Families. Like, what? Someone please help me refrain myself. Okay. The biological mother, Tiffany Brick, 28, is believed to be traveling with her children, 8-year-old Katie and 6-year-old Jenna, in a black 2006 GMC Sierra K 1500 with Wisconsin plates. JZ1918. Here's a picture of the truck right here. Okay, guys, let's get this alert out on social media. Thank you guys for sharing. My suggestion is if anyone sees this vehicle or the couple in question or the two children, call 911 immediately. Thank you.